Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find t value. Solution: t power 12 equal to 81 power t. Now we are going to take 1 by t on both sides in the power. So t power 12 whole power 1 by t equal to 81 power t whole power 1 by t. Now we are going to apply this formula, which is a power m whole power n equal to a power m times n, which also equal to a power n whole power m. So this we are going to apply here. So we'll get t power 1 by t whole power 12 equal to 81 power t 1 by t. Now this t cancels this, so we have t power 1 by t whole power 2 equal to here 81. Now again we are going to take 1 by 12 on power. So t power 1 by t whole power 12 whole power 1 by 12 equal to 81 power 1 by 12. Now we are going to apply this formula here. So t power 1 by t whole power 12 times 1 by 12 equal to 81 power 1 by 12. Now this 12 cancels this. Now we have t power 1 by t equal to 81 power 1 by 12. Now left hand side all variables, right hand side all constants. T power 1 by t equal to this 81 can be written as 9 power 2 whole power this 1 by 12. Now t power 1 by t equal to 9 power 2 times of 1 by 12. Now simplify this, we'll get here 6. So t power 1 by t equal to 9 power 1 by 6. Now again t power 1 by t equal to this 9 can be written as 3 to the power of 2 whole power 1 by 6. Now we are going to apply this express identity, that a power m whole power n equal to a power m times n. This we are going to apply here. So we'll get t power 1 by t equal to 3 power 2 times of 1 by 6. This simplifies this. We have 3 here. Now t power 1 by t equal to here right hand side 3 power 1 by 3. If you look this in power 1 by t, right hand side 1 by 3, base here t, here it is 3. So t equal to 3. Now we are going to verify this. T power 12 equal to 81 power t. Now t value here is 3. Applying this here, so 3 power 12 equal to 81 power 3. Now 3 power 12 equal to 81 can be written as 9 power 2 whole power is 3. Now 3 power 12 equal to 9 power 2 times of 3. Now 3 power 12 equal to 9 power 6. Now this 9 can be written as 3 power 12 equal to 3 power 2 whole power 6. Again we are going to apply this express identity that 3 power 12 equal to 3 power 2 times 6. So 3 power 12 equal to 3 power 12. So LHS equal to RHS. This is verified. Thanks for watching this video.